In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rental website on Wix. Let's dive right in and get started by heading over to wix.com. If you're not signed in yet, you'll want to either click on Get Started or Login at the top of the page. You can sign in using your Google, Facebook, or email account. A quick tip is to use a professional email address, like rentals@yourdomain.com, to give a more credible impression. Once you're logged in and on your Wix dashboard, your next move is to click on Create New Site. You'll see several options, but for our purpose, go with Business, followed by Real Estate and Rentals. You could also choose Travel, Vacation Rentals, or even Car Rentals, depending on what suits your needs. Explore the templates until you find one that best matches your niche, whether that's vacation rentals, car, or equipment rental, or property listings. After you select a template, click Edit Template to start customizing. Now it's time to unleash your creativity with the Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Swap out the default logo with your own and choose a color scheme that reflects your brand. Select fonts that are both professional and easy to read. Upload high-quality photos or videos of your rentals and adjust the background to something appealing, such as subtle textures or colors. Don't forget to include essential pages like home, rentals, about, booking, contact, and FAQs to provide a well-rounded user experience. A pro tip: add a catchy headline to your homepage to grab visitors' attention right away. Next, let's populate your rentals page. This can easily be achieved by adding a repeater or gallery to showcase your listings. For each property, include a clear title, some great images or a video tour, a detailed description, pricing, availability, and of course, a functional Book Now or Inquire button. If you have multiple properties, consider using Wix CMS to manage everything dynamically. To handle bookings, head to Add Apps and choose Wix Bookings. Get it set up so users can check availability, pick dates, reserve instantly, and get confirmation emails. Alternatively, for vacation rentals, you can use the Wix Hotels app to add room details, rate information, and calendar availability. Setting up payments comes next. Navigate to Settings and Accept Payments to choose your preferred payment method. You can opt for Wix payments or integrate PayPal, Stripe, or even Gcash for greater flexibility. Allowing both credit card and PayPal options gives your clients more payment choices. It's crucial to prevent double bookings, so make sure to enable calendar sync under Wix Bookings or Hotels. This will let you connect with external calendars like Airbnb or Google, ensuring your availability is always up to date. You'll also want easy communication pathways for potential renters. Add a contact form with fields such as name, email, and message, plus integrate Wix Chat or WhatsApp for instant contact. Set up automated responses to engage leads promptly. Finally, make your site truly yours by connecting a custom domain. Go to Settings, then Domains, and follow the prompts to connect or purchase a domain. To publish your site with this domain, make sure you upgrade to a Wix Premium plan. Before launching, invest some time in optimizing your site for SEO. Access marketing and SEO to add relevant business details, location, and keywords. Configure meta titles and descriptions for each page, and check how your site looks on both desktop and mobile before hitting publish. Congratulations, your rental website is now live and ready to attract new tenants.